All right, just a little hint and a reminder that we have our Plantronics Backbeat Pro version 1 and our Plantronics Backbeat Pro version 2. And the ear pads for these are not the same. These ones are round, these ones are more oval. So the ear pads that are being sold for version 1 will only fit version 1, and the ear pads that are being sold for version 2 will only fit version 2. All right, we're looking at the Plantronics Backbeat Pro version 2, and we're gonna do an ear pad installation and removal. So, first things first is I've taken off the right ear pad, just so you can have a look at it. You can see, similar to version 1, we're still using these slots and these clips to fit into those slots to secure the ear pad to the headphone. Obviously we have moved the slots. So version 1 had the slots on the very bottom and top and very sides, and now I have them on the 4 corners. So the 4 corners is where you want to be using your blue stick to take off the ear pad. Now you don't necessarily have to use the blue stick, because the ear pads will come off just by pulling. So if you just grab them like this and hold, they'll pop off. So you can do it that way, or you can do it with the blue stick, which is what I'll show you next. Right, so if you want to remove them using the blue stick, all you need to do is grip them. You know that the corners have those clips, which is where we want to focus on. And all you're going to do is use your one hand to peel the leather back and away, showing that gap. And then we're just going to put the stick, the bottom part of the stick, little scoopy part, in and try and lift up. That one is already off, okay. And we'll do it on this side. Got that one. Now in the corner over here. And one more to go. Oh, that popped off. There we go. So you can do it that way, or of course just pull it off like that. Done and done. Installing the ear pads. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Monty gets way more biscuits that way. Well, he gets a lot of biscuits anyways. But it helps the channel out, so help a brother out. So if you have your new ear pads here and you're wondering which side they go on, you can look at the frame and you can see right at the top, you can see that little R there. I believe you can see that little R there. I can see it. And you can see the little L on this side, telling you which side is which, in case you forget. So, R on this side, we're going to line up these 4 little slots here onto the headphone. It pretty much has to line up perfectly for you to clip it in. And obviously because of the plastic frame here and this frame, they only go on one way. And then you just apply pressure just through the ear pad on the corner, and it's in. You will hear it click as you did. Let's do the left one now, and that's 2, and that's 4. Right, as you can see, that is done. Nice and easy, nice and quick. 2 different ways. You can use the blue stick if you want, or you can just use your hands. Stay in the loop with our news, reviews, and how-tos. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. And if you're really keen, you might even be able to slide into Monty's DMs.